Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start a new game in Stalker 2. You can have 3 slots in your memory which will hold the game saves, so you can try 3 different gameplays or 3 different people can play on the same computer. And to do it, click on the new game. Now you can see that I have all of these slots occupied. So if you want to delete the game, point on it, hover over it, then click on R, then F, and now the slot is empty. And to add a new game, click on the slot, then select difficulty, then F to continue, and now the game has started. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.